Kako. Aloha. Peakako iki manava. Ovo o ASMR. Hawaiian. Alright. Just going to get into lesson number 3. Here we go. Ha'avina ekola. Equational sentences. Basic sentences. Ovai koinoa. What? Who is your name? Opua koinoa. My name is Pua. Okaiva keia. This is Kaiva. Okaalekula kela. That is the school. Okay. This is my new car. Okay, kumu olalo vai ike yakanaka. This person is a Hawaiian language teacher. Okay, ya kaikamaine ka aumana akamailoa. The really smartest student is this girl. Oh, okay, kumu. I am the teacher. Heomana akamai kike kikane koloi. The rascal boy is a smart student. Hevaine olu olu o momilani. Momilani is a pleasant woman. Explanations. Equational sentences. Sentences 1 through 8 are called equational sentences because they consist of two parts that equal each other. Predicate and subject. 1. Ovai okoinoa. 2. Opua koino. 3. O kaiva keia. 4. Okaalekula kela. 5. Ko ka'aho keia. 6. Oke kumu olaloavai keia kanaka. 7. Okeia kaikamaine kaumana akamailoa. 8. Oau kiku. These verbless sentences are similar to the class inclusion sentences you learned in Ha'avina Eloa, but they are more specific. Class inclusion. Ka'akeia. This is a car. Equational. Oko ka'akeia. This is my car. Two important things to notice about this pattern are as follows. O is the first word in all equational sentences. There is no English translation for this word. It is a grammatical marker that occurs at the beginning of equational sentences and also in front of proper names when they are used as subjects. Momilani is a pleasant woman. You will learn other uses of O in future lessons. B. When the subject of an English equational sentence is a pronoun or a proper name, the Hawaiian word order usually matches the English. I am the teacher. O kikum. Noelani is the student. O noelani kaumana. Notice that asking questions using this pattern is done by changing intonation, not by changing word order. This is the same as in class inclusion sentences. 2. Expanded class inclusion sentences. Names and noun phrases can also be used as subjects in class inclusion sentences. See basic sentence 9. Manakamai Kiki Kaneo Koloi. Kivaine Olo Olo Omomilani. talking to Momilani and calling her by her name, you would say E Momilani. Ke and ka are definite articles, often translated as the singular, and they are used in front of nouns. Which one you use depends entirely on the sound that it follows. Ke is used in front of nouns beginning with the sounds K, E, A, O. Ka is used in front of everything else, including words beginning with the okina. There are a few exceptions to this rule. They will be pointed out when they occur. No. For. No. This word is an intensifier. Sometimes it translates as is, indeed, and sometimes not translated at all. It is often used in replies agreeing with the previous statement. Aloha, greetings. Aloha no, greetings to you too. 5. Ya, he, she, it. Hawaiian has one word where English uses 3. When the subject of a sentence is he or she, Hawaiian precedes ia with the grammatical marker o. E kumu mai ka ia. He or she is a good teacher. Whether the teacher is male or female can only be known in context. When the subject is it, ia is used alone. E maya mai ka ia, it is a good thing. You will learn other uses of ia in Habavina Eha. 6. Semantic values. The first 2 lessons you have learned the words ui, handsome, beautiful, and momona, fat, sweet, fertile. But what makes a person handsome or beautiful to an English speaker's eyes might not be the same as being ui to a Hawaiian's eyes. In the same way, fat and momona may refer to different weights depending on the cultural context. Someone who is fat in a Haole setting may not be considered momona in a Hawaiian community. Beyond that, whether it is good or bad to be fat or momona also depends on cultural values. It is bad to be fat in a Haole world, but to be momona in a Hawaiian world is a desirable quality. Side note, I think that's what is kind of killing our Hawaiian culture, is that we're accepting fat as something that's desirable. And I think that's a no-no. I think that's a cultural aspect that we should definitely leave behind. We need to be healthy. We need to focus on keeping ourselves in a healthy health state. Just keeping our bodies healthy. We have a lot of people dying of diabetes, and to think that fat acceptance is something that we should be perpetuating is nonsense. So, keep healthy, ladies and gentlemen. Go to the gym, eat healthy, and stay in shape. As you learn more Hawaiian, be careful not to assume that Hawaiian values are the same as Western ones. Remember that our English translations are only an approximation of the meaning of the Hawaiian words. must learn more about the culture to understand the true meaning of the Hawaiian. More information on some Hawaiian ideas of beauty. See Bukui, Nanaike Kumu. Dialogues. These short conversations concerning everyday situations will help you gain confidence in speaking Hawaiian with other people. Practice them over and over until you are fluent and can say them from memory. No translations are given because the goal is to think in Hawaiian. If you have trouble understanding the dialogues, check the basic sentences and the vocabulary lists. Okalani, lawa okale, e olo olo boy. Ovai koinoa, please, what is your name? Okale koinoa, ovai oe. I am Kale, or my name is Kale. What is your name? Or who are you? Aloha e Kale. O kanani ko'uinoa. Hi Kale. My name is Kanani. Aloha no e Kanani. Hello, Kanani. Yeah, Kela. What is that? He mo'o no i Kela. He mea mai ka mo'o. This is a great or big gecko. This gecko is good. This gecko is a good one. Auyo aku no. Kalau ovai kela. I should be answering these. 1 second. Kalau ovai kela. That is a Hawaiian language teacher. E como mai ka ioia? Is he a good teacher? Ai e como olo olo loa. Yes, he is a very pleasant teacher. Ovai kunainoa. What is his name? Oh, all this time it was a girl. So, yes. She is, what's her name? Okay. What is her name? Opuako Naino. Her name is Pua. Heo mana malalofa ioi. Are you a Hawaiian language student? Yes, I am. I am a very happy student. Ai, ai, kikikane olo olo e. Olo, oh yo. Yes. You and are a very pleasant boy. Thank you. Thanks. Bye. Aoi. Oh, Akuno. Bye. Okay, let's see how I did. Okay, close that. That is. Oh, shucks. It should be. I put down that is a Hawaiian language teacher. It's supposed to be that is the Hawaiian language teacher. Is she a good teacher? Is she a good teacher? Yes, she is a very good teacher. Okay, it has olo as good in the book, but I learned that as pleasant. So I will change that. What is her name? Her name is Pua. Are you a Hawaiian language student? Yes, I am a very happy student. Yes. Oh yeah. So, yes can also be right. Or affirmative. Right. And you're a very nice, pleasant boy. Thanks. Goodbye. Goodbye. Alright, cool. So I had some errors there, but there's nothing to worry about. Dialogue notes. Asking someone their name directly. Other than these dialogues in modern behavior, traditionally, Hawaiians would have found out who a stranger was and where he came from by indirect means through conversational references. Direct questions about identity would have been considered rude. This is no longer true, although many Hawaiians still dislike personal questions, especially from strangers. In the classroom, where many strangers are brought together for a common purpose for a short period of time, these dialogues is acceptable, especially if questions are asked in an appropriately friendly tone. Exercises care or translate these phrases in Hawaiian. The great love. Okay, let's see this one. Ka arke aloha. Maikani. The righteous girl. Ka. What is that? Kawaine. Pono. The delicious fish. Kai Pono. The mischievous cat. Kapo. Popoki. Kolohe. The school teacher. Ke kumokula. Okay, let's see if I got that right. Okay. So the great love I should use Louis for freight. Then kikaikameine on iPad. Kavaine bono. So that kika or kavaine bono is more like the woman, the righteous woman, rather than the righteous. So ono. I accidentally put bono. Then kapopokikolohe is correct, and then kekumkula is correct. So I got 2 out of 3. Yeah, man. Gosh dang it. Gosh darn it. Alright. Equational sentences. Translate these sentences in Hawaii. Is this a new car? Or is this his new car? I think this is Kia Kona Kapa. Well, 2 is Okela Kiki Kane Nui O Hawali. And this could be also O Hawali Kela Kiki Kane Nui. So the other sentence could also be O Konaka Okay. And then her name is Mamilani. Oh, Mamilani. Kona Inoa. It could also be Oh, Kona Inoa. Oh, Mamilani. But Omomilani Kona Inoa is more common. Are you the Hawaiian language teacher? Oh boy. Ka or ke kumu olalovei. And then there could be those people. Ke kumu olelo. Hawaii. Oe. 5 is that O Kela or Kena Okina O Ka No Olu No. Okay, let's see if I'm right. Okay, so I made a mistake. I said Okonaka Ahoke here. Or I said okonaka'o, okay. And I actually have to delete the okay, oh, okay. I don't need that. So, let's see. Oh, Oli. Kilakeki. Kane Momona. I put Nui. Okay. I'm gonna. Okay, cool. So I got one right, two. Or actually, I got two right. Alright. Moving on. More class inclusion sentences. Translate these sentences in Hawaii. Yeah. So that distant little girl is a Hawaiian student. Yeah. Yeah. Kai kamai. Or kai kamai neli. Mana mai kai ke na ke la mana mai kai ke la kai kamai neli. Number two is the Chinese banana. It's a delicious banana. The Chinese banana. Hey, mai ono ka mai pake oret. He kanaka pono o Kelly. Kelly is a righteous person. He vaine nani. Kila vaine momona. Hey, this new student is a rascal. Hey, oh mana. Oh, hey kiki kane koloe keia oh mana. Oh, kane koloe keia. Alright, let's see. Okay. He o mana mai kai ke la kai ka mai ili. He mai no ka mai apake. He ka Tanaka Bonobokeli. Hevaineo Ikela Vainamamana. Hikikikane Kolahikeia. Oh mana. Oh, I got everything right on that exercise. Okay. I'm gonna leave on a good note. I actually have to get to work, but yes, I just finished one half of lesson 3, Halafineko. There's a lot more to do, so I'm probably gonna make this a 2-parter. So, anyways, I will leave you guys to it, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Take care. Aloha.